ये मैं दे दूं? अब मेरा हो गया, मैं आई एम ब्रेथलेस.
Please have water first of all.
Yes, I am breathless.
Thank you, sir. मैं बैठ जाऊँ?
हाँ बिल्कुल. परिणीति
जी.
मेहनत मशक्कत तो दिखाई दे रही है ज़बरदस्त. और जब भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है, जितना भी मुझे समझ आता है कि जब भी आप इस तरह की कोई फिल्म करते हैं, यू नो, यू आर डूइंग अ काइंड ऑफ बायोपिक, तो आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती है, बिकॉज यू आर पोर्ट्रेइंग समबडीज लाइफ जर्नी. एट द सेम टाइम आपको अपनी भी चीज़ें डालनी होती है. व्हाट वाज योर नोट्स? आपके इमोशनल नोट्स क्या थे? आपके प्रोफेशनल नोट्स क्या थे व्हेन यू वर प्लानिंग दिस ऑल?
So there are 2-3 answers to your question. पहली बात तो मैं एक ऐसे चैलेंज को ढूंढ रही थी. जिस तरह की फिल्में मैं कर रही थी, they were pretty much an extension of me and also what writers and directors thought I was. And so they were writing roles which were very similar, and I was also choosing those films. When this film came into my life, it was exactly what I was looking for, because I was looking to surprise everybody. I was looking to do something which I'm not really known for. You know, I'm known to be the girl next door, or I'm known to be a happy whatever girl. But that's not really actually me. And I wanted to show that on screen. I wanted to show the real me on screen. So a sports biopic of a person who is still there playing in action, who is known to be a crazy tigress on court, is exactly the kind of role I would have done, even if it was fiction. So biopic was like, bolte hai na, sone pe suhaga. And then there was Amol sir. Literally, these were the two names. I heard Saina Nehwal, Amol Gupte. Kahan sign karna hai? I was literally like that. So there was no thinking at all. And जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना कि मैंने प्रेप के लिए क्या किया, मैंने ये क्या किया, वो क्या किया. जब ये फिल्म की जब मुझे नरेशन मिली थी कि बैडमिंटन खेलना है, अब हम सब सोचते हैं कि हमको बैडमिंटन आता है, क्योंकि हम सब गली क्रिकेट खेलते हैं और गली बैडमिंटन खेलते हैं. और मुझे लगा 2-3 दिन में हो जाएगा मेरा ट्रेनिंग, मुझे बैडमिंटन तो आता ही है, मुझे सिर्फ शूटिंग पे पहुंचना है. लेकिन जिस दिन मैं ट्रेनिंग पे पहुंची और मेरे जो कोच सर हैं, ईशान जो यहाँ बैठे हैं, बाद में आएंगे, उन्होंने बोला आपने रैकेट ही गलत पकड़ा है. तो मैंने कहा ओह, ये तो थोड़ा फ्लॉप शो हो गया. एंड फिर मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि जो लोग प्लेयर्स हैं और जो लोग बैडमिंटन खेलते हैं हिंदुस्तान के लिए, दुनिया में खेलते हैं, वो एक बहुत अलग गेम है, और जो हम गली बैडमिंटन खेलते हैं वो एक बहुत अलग गेम है. तो माई पर्सनल गोल विद दिस फिल्म इज़ कि लोग समझें कि जो हमने सीखा है, मैंने सीखा है, और जो बैडमिंटन की कदर होनी चाहिए इस कंट्री में, वो होनी ही पड़ेगी. क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक देर इज एनी अदर गेम एज हेक्टिक, एज डिफिकल्ट टू प्ले एज बैडमिंटन. But the players make it look so easy, and we play under our houses every evening that we think it's very easy. So I want people to understand it took me almost 5 to 6 months to just get ready with a basic thing for the shoot. So that's how difficult it is. That was my prep. Emotionally, I left everything to Sir. You know, him being the actor that he is, I used to dread the days कि कभी कभी वो आके सीन दिखाते थे करके, मुझे लगता था ओ माय गॉड, मैं तो कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी ऐसे, यू नो, बिकॉज सर जिस तरह से करते, यू कांट हैव दैट इमोशनल डेप्थ.
But was it emotionally overwhelming, you know, at portions, because इतना you know, किसी के किरदार को प्ले करना, उसके पॉइंट्स दिमाग में रखना, एट द सेम टाइम, यू नो, अगर वो चीज़ आप बिल्कुल सामने रख देते हो, देन यू गेट लाइक ओ गॉड, आई हैव डन इट, दैट फीलिंग. सो वाज इट
100%. बाय द वे, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, यू आर टॉकिंग टू अ पर्सन जो अभी भी अगर नेशनल एंथम आप प्ले करें ना, तो मुझे गूज़बम्प्स होते हैं और मैं रोने लग जाती हूँ. एंड मैं जेन्युइनली ड्रामेटिक होने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. अभी तक नेशनल एंथम इज़ माई फेवरेट कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ ऑल टाइम्स, बिकॉज अभी तक मेरे को लगता है कि देर इज़ नथिंग एल्स मेड लाइक दिस. And this film being about a national hero, about the stuff that he's written,
You
the
know,
things that she
one
says.
thing I have to interject is there are two amazing voices floating in this auditorium. One is Miss Chopra, who is, I think, a phenomenal singer. And she's got her graduation in music, which very few people know. And of course, my dear rock star, Amal, Kakamal. And of course, Ishan is also an aspiring musician. More power to you, boy.
So to answer your question, there is so much patriotism naturally in this film because of who we are making this film on. World number one is what she achieved. Nobody else has been able to do it. So the stuff that I used to say, the scenes that were written used to make me emotional. So actually any of the crying that you see in the film is not fake because it actually came from within.
Exactly.
And it didn't matter if I was doing 3 takes or 10 takes. It would just come every time I would say that line. Or if somebody said, "Tum is, you know, छोटी छोटी लड़कियां तुमको देख के बड़ी हो रही हैं," and I used to feel मैं साइना नेहवाल हूँ, and I used to start crying. So it is the power of the lines he wrote, and it is also the power of the girl that I'm playing. You know, I just hope people see it the way we've made it.
दिख रहा है परी, दिख
I
रहा
hope
है,
so.
दिख रहा है. Okay, now let me call on stage Ishan Nakwe.
Yeah.
Hello. And hello Naisha, what's up baby? Come on stage. आ जाओ. ओहो, शाय की एक्टिंग है, शाय हो.
ये है छोटी साइना और छोटी मैं, who is one of the best players in this country also, and that is Ishan. He is playing Saina's now husband Kashyap, and he was also the coach. तो जो कुछ भी मैंने बैडी के बारे में सीखा है वो literally ईशान के साथ रोज 3-3, 4-4 घंटे खेल के सीखा है.
He's twice state champion, Maharashtra
Yes.
state champion, and Chhatrapati Shivaji awardee.
Wow.
Ishan.
Yeah.
Ishan, tell me about your journey with this film.
I mean, first of all, अभी तक बहुत सारे ऐसे moments हैं which looks unreal to me. जैसे कि watching
Okay, I got it.
everything coming to life, and when I met sir had already spent a lot of time on the film, and when I saw his passion and the way he was working on the film, मैंने कहा sir, I have to be part of this. I have to be part of this film because I have played badminton all my life. My family has been into sports, so I had to be part of this film. And the minute I got this opportunity, I asked sir, and he believed in me, and he had faith in me. And also Pari kept his faith in me, and we worked
Wow.
together. And rest is his.
So परी का आप स्कोर क्या है 1 to 10 में बैडमिंटन में? इतनी प्रैक्टिस के बाद.
Just for everybody to know, I mean, it's one of the fastest racket sports in the world. Also, the fastest smash which is recorded is around 490 kilometers per hour. So you can imagine to get, to even play badminton to a decent level, it is at least 2 to 3 years of hard work.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's, yeah.
Nice. Score अभी भी नहीं बताया. How sweet. Okay.
वो लखनऊ से हैं.
Well done. Got my answer. Perfect.
वो बहुत.
क्या आप घुमाते रहिए सवाल. अच्छा, Naisha, hello.
Yes.
कैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें? How are you feeling right now? Are you excited? Nervous? Trailer देख के
I'm
कैसा लगा?
actually nervous
You're nervous?
Yes.
Why are you nervous?
because I'm first time on stage in front of
Yeah,
so
give it
many
up for
people.
Naisha! On stage!
Naisha, tell everybody your national ranking.
I'm India number 3 in singles and India number 1 in doubles.
Wow! Lovely! Lovely!
Same as Parini.
Same as me, yeah.
अच्छा नाशा ये बताओ तुम्हारा सबसे प्यारा वाला मोमेंट कौन सा था? इतनी सारे सीन्स की, इतनी सारी शूटिंग की, कोई एक मोमेंट जिसके बारे में तुम बात करना चाहती हो जो तुम्हारा अपना पर्सनल फेवरेट, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू से विदाउट रिवीलिंग मच, जो तुम्हें ठीक लगता है, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू शेयर?
Actually, I liked all these scenes and I was really excited when I heard about that I'm playing Saina.
Obviously.
Actually, when I was small, Saina had always been my inspiration.
Yeah.
So there's nothing there's no favorite scene actually because I love the whole movie.
Yeah, correct answer.
See, you're already a pro on stage.
You're a
You
pro.
exactly know how to answer. Super.
There are
Very
so many
nice.
little girls who were part of a workshop, and she was also part of that workshop. And we have recess, we feed at the children. That's a tradition in our company. तो किसी को चीज टमाटो सैंडविच चाहिए, किसी को चटनी चाहिए, किसी को इनको मैंने पूछा व्हाट डू यू वांट बिकॉज़ रिसेस, उन्होंने कहा प्रोटीन्स. मतलब नहीं मतलब कुछ भी स्प्राउट्स, दाल, चिकन, एनी प्रोटीन,
एनी प्रोटीन।
क्योंकि मैं कार्ब्स नहीं खाती। मैं उसने कभी शक्कर चखी नहीं है। सुबह 3 बजे उठती है, 7 दिन 7 days a week throughout the year. She is being trained in Gopichand Academy, and she's a protege. And all our blessings for her to become the next Saina.
Fantastic. Pariniti, do you want to say something about Naisha? कोई ऐसा moment, वाक्य, anything you want to mention?
You know, honestly, it's really incredible that being sports persons, both of them, Ishan and Naisha, and even all the other children who have been part of the film, it's so easy to get nervous in front of a camera or in front of the crew or whatever. But you should see them before they pick up the racket. They are different, and they pick up the racket and they start smashing the shuttle. And they are fire. They are insane. So I always used to look at them and be like, मैं कैसे करूँगी इनके सामने क्या? They are
Stress
making
दे
me look
दिया, stress
bad.
दे दिया।
कि थोड़ा सा बुरा खेलो guys, थोड़ा सा बुरा. It was like, it's crazy, but of course they are so inspirational. Whether she was on set or whether he was on set, when I used to watch them, I used to immediately tell Ishan कि चल एक rally करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं, let's rehearse. They inspired me so much that this is just the start for them. I think this is the first day of the rest of their life, I think.
Super, fantastic. Okay, so any other questions? Anybody want to ask anything?